Welcome to Paint Heaven by AHS. This is Aruj Haider, and I hope you all are doing great. This is my new art piece. So, I am sharing a special painting journey with you in our playlist. A journey where nature, calm, and colors come together. This playlist is divided into 4 long videos, each one focusing on a different part of the same painting. In part 1, we begin quietly with small trees, textured rocks, and soft greenery, laying the foundation of a peaceful forest. In part 2, the heart of the forest appears a large, grounded trees, surrounded by grass and a delicate flowers, standing strong and calm. In part 3, the painting begins to flow with a waterfall and a gentle river, bringing movement, depth, and emotions to the scene. And in part 4, last but not the least, the soul of the forest comes alive, with vibrant parrots adding color, balance, and life to the painting. This is not just a painting tutorial, it is a slow, mindful art journey. So take a deep breath, relax, and wait for my first part that will be uploaded very soon. So stay tuned with Paint Heaven by AHS. Till then, take care.